Sonic? Huh, that's weird. It's dark as I'm sleeping. But what that mean? You okay, Sonic? Yeah, I'm okay, dude. What happened? There's some hurricanes coming. Hurricane? Oh no. Okay, Sonic. DonaldSonic Friday night is gonna be happen. What happened, dude? Hurricane. I saw the news early morning and it's gonna be a hurricane coming to New Jersey by tomorrow. And it's dark right now. So what's that supposed to be, dude? It means the hurricane is coming. We're going shopping for food, we need to get a lot of drink. Hell, we have a war, dude. A war means we're gonna be some hunger to do something with that. Oh, anyways, I got a question, dude. Yes, Sonic. How long it been like hurricane come? It's been like a day. It's gonna be like hitting us Monday, that means tomorrow. So I'm not sure about that because guess what? It is going to be happen. Really? Yeah, it's gonna happen. Just relax and do nothing. Just enjoy my day. Well, it's not enjoying the day, dude. Okay, just like no money. Oh, I think we're broke now. Oh, really? Yeah. Oh my God. Can't believe it. No money, no nothing, just no nothing to do. I just played GameCube and I was bored. I just can't do it, dude. It's so bored right now. I don't do, but it's bored. Besides, makes sense, right? Something. Alright. It's good. Maybe this.
Hey.
Oh, hey, Kirby.
So, whoa, man, we're in the top. I don't know how I get there.
I don't know.
Because sometimes I only appear like this. Hey.
You're just too close to the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Anyways, not like that because this is worse, Kirby. We have a hurricane tomorrow.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. I feel...
I'm bored now.
Ooh. Sonic, catch.
This is like came in 2003. I think about it. Life happened. Feel spooky. God, I feel like early this year. I know, right? How fun is that? It's so quiet in here. Like nothing, no noise. Just odd. I guess so, dude. I guess so. You guess so? I guess so. Because what is that? Halloween decoration? Probably. I would not think about it, dude. Dude, we gotta focus. The hurricane's coming. And if the hurricane comes tomorrow, then there'll be no school. No school? I'm not worried about hurricane. Are you sure too? You know why people in New Orleans having a hurricane? My home state of Florida and Mississippi and Alabama, they have hurricane now. But then next it's going toward to the East Coast. Major flooded? Yeah, major flooded. Every hurricane have the same storm. It doesn't matter what name of hurricane, but it will have same storm like any category. It depends on the number. Curry, what are you doing? That. Hey, PS4, PSP. say I say go. I will go. Anyways.
Train with me.
No, Kobe. We gotta focus for hurricane. We're not playing because we have a hurricane tomorrow.
This is bullshit.
I know it's bullshit. We all have a bullshit problem. And fat guy, we all know this is gonna be the worst day of my life, but seriously, what the hell are we gonna do? Hey Kirby, someone's outside. I heard the door open. There it is. DonaldSonic Universe is the best studio in the world. All the game, all the stuff that we had, it makes sense. Besides, alright, I'm not an idiot, but how do we do this? Like, hurricanes coming and we need to do something. We need to prepare for our evacuation. We try the tablet, we try our phone, you try your PSP, and no, we don't want to play the GameCube. Sonic, here, look, Sonic Hero. Sonic Rider? Okay. Whoa! Oh. I heard Rumble. I'm blue, that it be na Athena. Kirby, please. Oh, come on. Oh, man. Alright. Come on, dude. Hey, stay. Hey, I'm about to fall. Dude, Donald, Duck. Oh, God. Don't worry. Oh, God. There we go. Dick. Sorry. Give me the control. Oh, really? Alright. Hey, about to connect it.
Joking.
End the video now. I have some guests to do.